Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ria Sahu and welcome to my channel Ria Sa. And today we are going to solve another challenge of the hacker rank. So guys, it is a very easy challenge, like it is easy level of challenge, and the purpose of creating this video is to make you aware of the method, which is the has next method. So like you might be aware of it, many of you people are might be aware of it, but many of the people like the fresher or the people who just started learning Java, like you may not aware of it. So for you guys, like this video is exclusive for you. So let's start it. So what's the challenge? Like let's read what is the challenge, today's challenge. So the thing, oh, okay, fine. So the challenge here is to read n lines of input until you reach end of file. EOF is the abbreviation of the end of file. Okay, so the thing is like you have to read the all the inputs from the standard input, like from the scanner. Okay, like system.in, we use the system.in. Okay, let me focus on the what is the challenge. So input format. So read some unknown n lines of input from standard input system.in until you reach the end of file. Each line of input contains a non-empty string. Okay, so every line contains the string and you have to read all the strings which is given by the input. Okay, so output format. So you can see here for your reference, like the sample input and sample output is given. Hello world, I am a file, and the sample output. In this format only you have to print the output. Okay, so let us solve the problem. So fine. So guys, you can solve this problem in two way, like using the while loop, using for loop. You can use it, like you can solve it. So I am solving it by using the while loop only. So let me solve it using the while loop. While SCN. So guys, this the first line is already given, but here the first line we take to read the input from the like from the user through the keyboard, not hard coded, but from the keyboard. Like we can give the input to keyboard, and it is used to read it from it. Okay, so SCN dot next line, not next line, like has next we are using. Is equal to true. So you know what you have to write, like is equal to true, because the return type of has next is boolean. If you do not know about the method, so you can also search about it, like what is the purpose of this method and why we use it. So there are many website it is given, so you can use it, like the oracle.com. Oracle.com is basically the official website. You can use the other website reference also. Let me show you. So yes, has next it is, so you can click here. Okay, so has next, so you can see like has next, it is boolean is the return type, and there is one line which is written like returns true if the scanner has another token in its input. So if the scanner is having the another input to read the line, like to if it is having the another input only, then it will return the true, otherwise it will return the false. Okay, so we have to check it and we have to print it. Okay, fine. So system dot out dot println, the statement which is used to read the which is used to print the output on a console. So we have to print the output in this format. Okay, so what we will do is equals to 0, or you can also use the 1 here, like 0 or 1 as your wish. Pre-increment, i'm I'm incrementing it. Okay, because I have used 0, but we want the output like from 1 it is starting, not from the 0. Therefore I am using the increment operator before I. SCN dot next line. So next line I am using because we have to read the input, like we have to print the input which is taking from the user, like from the user. If it is taken, so we have to print it there. Therefore I'm using scn.nextLine. So if I'm running the code, let me see if we will get the correct output or not. Yep, I'm getting the correct output. And until and unless you will submit the code, you will not know like all the test cases are passing or not. So the test cases are passed. Okay, fine. So for the test one also, you got the success result. You can unlock it. Yep. So it was a second test case and it is also passing. And you can also use the one here. But if you are using the one, so we no need to use the pre-increment operator. Fine, semicolon expected. If you submit the code now also, all the test cases are passing and you will get the results. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it and you got some value out of it, guys. So thank you so much and be updated and subscribe to my channel, and I will share the another video with you also.